Halo Yudi. Halo Bro Yudi.
Halo Bro Pujo.
Kirain nggak denger.
How are you
Gimana?
Bro Pujo?
Thank you. I'm fine. I hope you so. It's okay, Bro Yudi.
Yes, of course. I'm fine too.
Oh, yeah, my pleasure.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi,
Hey.
Halo, Tasya.
Hi
Hello.
guys.
Hello. Good
Good
evening,
evening
sis.
everyone.
Yeah.
good
Good
evening, Sis
How
Tasya.
are you?
I'm good, Sis Tasya.
Good. Okay. Nice,
Good,
nice.
sis.
Hari ini kita belajar apa guys? Ada yang tahu nggak?
Transportation ya?
Transportation.
Transportation, yes, very good. It's really
Accommodation.
interesting. The topic today is about transportation.
Yeah,
Let's just start. Are you guys ready?
yeah.
Yes,
Oh.
ready. Okay, so transportation. Now we are going to start the topic with a little game. Jadi, I will give you 3 statements after this about accommodation or transportation. And you guys have to choose which one is a lie. So for the 3 statements, there is one statement that actually a lie or not correct. Ya, yang tidak benar. And one person will give opinion and give reason. So all of you have to, give your opinion and give your reason. Like you have to answer, you have to decide which one is the incorrect one, and also with the reason why you say that. Okay? Nanti untuk setiap orang yang menjelaskan atau memberikan jawaban, I'm the one that gonna choose you. So please raise your hand if you want to be chosen by now. Boleh langsung angkat tangan dari sekarang karena aku pilihnya sesuai yang angkat tangan pertama. Oke, kita langsung mulai. This is the statement. So I have 3 about traffic jam. So first statement is traffic jam in Indonesia is caused by short time traffic light. And the second one, traffic jam in Indonesia is caused by a number of vehicles. And the third, traffic jam in Indonesia is caused by disaster. Okay. So I'm gonna ask Sister Sri.
Yes, Miss Tasya.
Irmawan.
Yes.
Dari ketiga ini, for these 3 statements, which statement that you think is incorrect?
I'm incorrect. This traffic jam in Indonesia is causes by short time. This is not short time because it's a number vehicle. This is I think it's no this is lie ya.
Lie. Oke, berarti yang pertama ya, statement pertama.
Yeah.
Oke, kita tampung dulu. Oke, thank you so much, Sister Sri. Sekarang aku mau ke Sister Nina. Kalau menurut Sister Nina, yang mana nih Sister Nina? Halo, ini aku mute aja deh ya. Ada suara-suara yang suka mikrofonnya bocor. Sister Nina, halo Sister Nina.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. Which statement do you think is incorrect?
I think this statement it's number 3. Traffic jam in Indonesia is caused by disaster.
Disaster. Why?
Yeah, because disaster not happen every day. So it's only apa ya, tak terduga.
Yeah.
like that.
Unpredictable,
Yeah,
unpredictable time.
unpredictable.
Once
So-
in a time aja lah ya.
Yeah.
Sekali-sekali gitu ya.
Yes.
Oke. Berarti nomor 3 ya kalau Sister Nina ya. Oke, kita tampung dulu jawabannya.
Yeah.
Thank you. Sekarang yang ketiga, Bro Faiz. Ini kalau Bro Faiz pilih nomor 2, berarti yang benar-benar sangat bervariasi nih. Gimana Bro Faiz? Which one do you think is a lie or incorrect?
Thank you, Sis Tasha. I'm a woman, miss.
Oh my God, kenapa namanya Faiz?
It's never
Sorry.
mind.
Sorry banget, aku nggak tahu.
Okay.
Oke, Sister Faiz. Sister Faiz, nomor berapa nih yang dirasa tidak
Okay,
benar?
Sis. Yang dirasa tidak benar. I think the traffic jam in Indonesia is caused by disaster.
Oke, yang ketiga ya. Alasannya masih sama nggak sama Sister Nina? Atau you have different reason?
Because its traffic jam in Indonesia is caused by a number of vehicles. I think it is right because the factory always produce the vehicles every month and then every day maybe. And the number 1 traffic jam in Indonesia is caused by short time traffic light. The traffic light, I think about 5 until 10 minutes. It is cause the traffic jam make very long. I think like that.
Oke, berarti Sister Faiz lebih setuju yang ketiga ya, kayaknya yang impossible ya, atau
Yang impossible because the flood or the disaster is not every day.
iya.
Yes, because
Okay.
that when the weather is rain, so the way make flood, and the weather is very hot. I think no problem. There is
Iya.
no.
Oke, very good. Thank you, Sister Faiz.
Welcome, sis.
Oke, sekarang aku mau nyalakan semua mikrofonnya. And now, menurut teman-teman, jadi yang mana yang paling atau yang mana yang salah?
I think it's number 1.
Number 1.
Salah semua.
Number 1.
Enggak salah semua.
Because the number 3 I think is this true.
Number 3 ini yang paling aneh ya menurut aku ya. Jadi traffic jam di Indonesia is caused by disaster. Dia bilang padahal disaster itu not happen all time, every day. Sedangkan traffic jam in Indonesia itu every day. Ya, apalagi di kota-kota besar, Jakarta dan
Yes, I
lain-lain.
agree with
Even
you, sis.
Bali udah terkena traffic jam juga, you know. Kayak ya it's not because of the disaster actually. Mau ada disaster, mau nggak ada disaster pun mereka tetap
Macet.
ya. So menurut aku yang paling tidak relevan itu adalah yang ketiga ya. Tapi bebas, semua orang bisa berpendapat dan silahkan tanya Google. Oke. So sekarang kita masuk ke part 2 yaitu box of vocabularies. In this box of vocabularies, I'm going to read all of the vocabularies with the correct pronunciation, and then after this, I'm going to call you one by one to read all of this vocabularies. And then you guys, if you guys want to be chosen, you can raise your hand by now. Boleh raise hand dari sekarang aja. Oke, yang pertama ada by bus. Vehicle. Itu bukan vehicle tapi vehicle.
Yeah.
Vehicle. And then bicycle and bike. Bus station, car, motorcycle, motorbike, freeway, highway, rail, train, airplane, taxi, subway, boat, ship, ferry, port, harbor, pedicab, carriage, price, back and forth, or commute, driving license. Okay. Now I'm going to choose Bro Dimas.
Thank you, sis. By bus, vehicle, bicycle, or bike, bus
Bicycle,
station, bicycle, bus station, car, motorcycle, or motorbike, freeway, highway, rail, train, airplane,
I
taxi.
see. Oke, sampai situ aja cukup. Sebelah kiri
Okay,
aja ya.
thank you, ma'am.
Oke, thank you, Bro Dimas.
You are welcome, ma'am.
Next, Bro Steven.
Okay. By bus.
No, no, no.
bicycle.
Subway, yang kanan ya.
Oh, yes. Okay. Subway, boat, ship, ferry, port or harbor, handicap, ferry, price, back and forth commute, driving license.
Driving license. Oke. Very good. Thank you untuk Bro Steven Lee. Sekarang Bro Raihan.
Oke, Miss. Yang kiri ya.
Yes, yang kiri.
By bus, vehicle, bicycle or bike, bus station, car, motorcycle or motorbike, freeway, highway, rail, train, airplane, taxi.
Taxi. Very good, Bro Raihan. Nice. Thank you.
Thank you.
Now, Bro Rian. Sebelah kanan.
Subway, boat, ship, ferry, port, harbor, handicap, carriage, price, back and forth, commute, driving license.
Oke, driving license. Guys, jadi yang ini itu yang ini nih ya, ini kan SH nih. Nah, tadi ada beberapa aku dengar bilangnya SIP. Literally kayak SI sama P, padahal ini ada hanya. Ya, berarti kalau S ketemu H harusnya bukan SIP tapi SHIP. SHIP. Kayak kalian kalau panggil nama aku kan bukan Tasa, tapi Tasya. Jadi penyebutan SH itu kayak SY kalau di bahasa Indonesia ya. Jadi SHIP. SHIP. Ya. Oke. Next, kita ke part selanjutnya. This is a practice. Okay, this is a practice. I'm going to call you one by one to answer this question. Question yang pertama adalah, do you prefer using public transportation or private transportation? Kalian lebih memilih menggunakan public transportation, transportasi umum, atau private transportation, transportasi pribadi? And why? And then pertanyaan yang selanjutnya ada, do you have car sick or seasick? How to deal with it? Ya, car sick itu berarti mabuk darat, seasick itu mabuk laut. What is famous transportation in Indonesia? Ya. And why? And what is the most useful transportation in your city? Ini related to your city. And why? And how do you go to school or how do you go to work? Pastinya setiap orang nggak akan aku tanyakan 5-5-nya. Mungkin aku tanya satu orang, 2 orang yang lain lagi, 2 lagi, sisanya lagi 2 lagi, gitu ya. Oke, so let's just start. I'm gonna call. Tadi yang udah aku panggil berarti aku lower hand ya. Tivana, Sister Tivana. Hello?
Yeah, hello.
Okay, Sister Tifana, are you ready to answer my question?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, so
Inshallah.
first question is, do you prefer using public transportation or private transportation?
I prefer private transportation
Why?
because I don't like uh bertemu
Apa?
banyak orang. Apa ya?
Meeting a lot of people, meeting many
Yes.
people.
Yes.
Okay, so you need your private, you need
Yes.
apa namanya, privacy gitu ya, nggak mau apa terlalu banyak orang ya, nggak
Yeah.
suka di tempat yang crowded. Apalagi kan kita tahu if you are going to use public transportation, especially in Jakarta, like you are going to, have meet a lot of people and it is really crowded. Oke, itu ya berarti ya alasannya. Oke, thank you. Terus yang kedua, do you have car sick?
No.
Seasick?
No.
No juga. Oke. You good berarti ya. Oke. Thank you Sister Tivana.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Next, Sister Novita.
Hello, Sister Tasya. Okay,
Hello.
I'm ready.
Okay. So, are you ready?
Yes, I'm
Yes,
ready.
ready. So first is, what is the most useful transportation in your city?
The most useful transportation in my city is public transportation. We call it micro.
Micro.
Yeah, like a small bus.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Where is your city at? Where do you live now? Or where is
Uh,
your hometown?
I live in Bitung, North Sulawesi.
North Sulawesi. Oke, oke.
Yes.
So, itu tadi namanya apa?
Micro.
Micro. Okay, micro.
Yes.
And then the follow-up question, how do you go to your work atau to your office?
Actually, I go to work by motorbike in driver.
Okay.
In driver.
You are the one that, drive the bike, or you use like Gojek or something?
Gojek.
Oh, Gojek. Okay. But can
Yes.
you drive?
I cannot.
Oh, okay. It's okay. All right. Thank you ya, Sister Novita.
Yeah, thank you. You're welcome, Sister Tasya.
Okay, next. Kita ke Bro Tony. Halo, Bro Tony.
Halo, sis.
Okay. I'm going to ask you a question about... Okay, the first question aja ya. Do you prefer using public transportation or private transportation?
I prefer private transportation, sis.
Private transportation.
Yes.
Okay. Why? Why do you prefer using private transportation?
Because I think I'm comfortable.
Comfortable?
Yeah, comfortable.
More comfortable using
More
private
comfortable using private transportation.
I see. Okay, okay. And then, what is famous transportation in Indonesia, do you think? Like, in your opinion, yang famous transportation in Indonesia itu apa?
Transportation in Indonesia, I think busway.
Busway. Why busway? Why do you think busway is the famous transportation?
Because busway is the big transportation, and then what the mean murah?
Cheap, affordable,
Yeah,
affordable.
cheap the pay, and then not traffic jam, I think busway.
Oh, okay. There is no traffic jam for busway, yeah, because they have their own way, you know?
Yes, I think.
I see. Okay, very good. Thank you ya.
Okay, thank you, sis.
Oke, next. Move lagi ke selanjutnya. Ini ada, have you ever used carriage? Ya. And then, do you think our public transportation is expensive? Carriage itu apa? Delman ya. Do you think our public transportation is expensive? Menurut kalian tuh public transportation kita nih mahal nggak sih? Ya. Terus yang ketiga, what transportation do all people have? Apa sih transportasi yang orang-orang semua punya? Kemudian yang keempat, what should we change about our transport in Indonesia? And then, do we need driving license when we want to use vehicle? And why? The next participant will be Bro Faiz tadi udah ya? Bro Faiz sudah belum sih tadi?
Tadi di awal, Miss.
Sister Faiz, sorry Sister
Oh,
Faiz,
iya.
astagfirullahaladzim, lupa lagi. Udah ya, oke. Kalau udah, kita ke Sister Wiranda.
Yes, Miss.
Oke, Sister Wiranda, are you ready?
I'm ready, Miss.
Okay. Have you ever used carriage?
Carriage is Delman, Miss. Sorry.
Yes.
Oh, Delman. Yes, I have. But when I'm
Yang kenapa suaranya nggak ada? Hello?
Hello, Miss.
Oke, tadi suaranya tiba-tiba hilang.
Oh, gitu. Okay, I repeat, Miss. Yeah, I ever ride carriage when I was little, 5 years old, I think, so long time ago, with my uncle.
With your
But
uncle.
now I live in Lampung. I seldom to see carriage again.
Oh, you seldomly, yeah,
Yeah, seldomly.
using carriage. Okay, very good. And then the last question for you is, do you think our public transportation is expensive?
Public transportation.
Especially in your area, in your region, in your city. Do you think the public transportation there is very expensive? It's expensive or it's affordable enough?
I think so affordable.
So
In
affordable.
Lampung have like subway.
Mhm.
Yes, same with subway. Just pay 500 or 200, I forgot.
Wow.
Pokoknya
200, masih ada 200.
Yes, of course. And kemana aja gitu. Pokoknya around in Lampung gitu. Bandar Lampung.
Bandar Lampung. Okay, wow, very nice, very nice. Okay, lucky you then.
Yes,
All
thank
right.
you.
Thank you, Sister Wiranda.
You're welcome.
Oke, kita ke Sister Farah.
Ya, Miss.
Oke, Sister Farah, pertanyaannya, what transportation do all people have, in your opinion?
My opinion is motorbike.
Motorbike. Okay. Why?
Because motorbike we have buy and bahan bakar itu apa ya, Miss?
The petrol or the gas?
The petrol is very cheap.
Cheap.
And we can buy everywhere.
Everywhere. Okay. So it's very cheap, yeah, for the petrol. Maybe also for the unit itself, yeah, for the vehicle itself. Itu juga murah ya. Maksudnya bukan murah ya, tapi it's the cheapest when it compares to the other transportation. Oke, itu ya Sister Farah. Terus yeah, I think that's it deh. Okay, thank you Sister Farah for joining me. Next, Aina, Sister Aina. Halo. Ya, kok ke-mute lagi. Halo. Halo. Mana ini? Oh, nggak ada. Oke, nggak bisa Halo, bisa nggak? Oh, bisa. Oke. Okay. Question for you. Do we need driving license when we want to use vehicle?
Yes.
Why? Because if we don't have driving license, police will come to you and then will, give you a punishment. Okay, you have to you get a fine itu denda, right? And also apalagi kenapa sih kalau untuk diri sendiri itu kan kalau misalnya kita melanggar aturan ya, if we don't have driving license, but for yourself, imagine you don't have driving license and then you just take your parents' motorbike and then you just go by yourself without having driving license. How about that? Do you feel okay, free atau kayak udah nggak masalah? Atau do you feel that worry atau kayak merasa takut ketemu polisi dan lain-lain? How about you? So just imagine that you are in the situation that you just go drive your motorbike without having a driving license. How will you how do you feel about that? You will still go or
boleh nggak sebentar pakai bahasa Indonesia?
Iya, boleh.
Berbicaranya saya kurang vocab.
Yeah, I know. It's okay. Okay, you want to answer this question or not? It's okay if you don't. Oke, kita lanjut aja ya. Thank you ya, Sister Aina ya. Oke, nanti dilatih lagi untuk vocabnya. Lebih sering nonton ini aja ya. Untuk teman-teman yang mau menambah vocab, aku saranin banyakin nonton. Ya, nonton apalah di YouTube yang pakai bahasa Inggris ya. Oke. Next, the last one. Bro Dimas bukannya tadi? Bro Dimas sudah belum?
Udah, yang
Oh, udah.
di
Oke, sorry.
baca itu.
Iya, oke, thank you. Bro William? Belum ya, Bro William ya? Oke. Halo.
Iya,
Oke, Bro William, I would like to ask you, do you think ini kita ke your hometown aja dah ya, di tempat Bro William stay atau tinggal sekarang. Do you think the public transportation there is expensive?
In my place, I think the public transportation is expensive because
Expensive, okay.
yep, because you so maybe hard to find the public transportation like a bus, like oplet apa ya?
Apa?
Oplet begitu.
Nggak tahu lagi aku itu apa.
Like a bus or
Like a bus, okay.
Like a bus, pedicab or something. You hard to find it. In my place, the public transportation is just Grab and Gojek.
Grab and Gojek.
So,
You don't have like ini apa namanya bus, minibus. Gitu-gitu.
Minibus in my town is so difficult to find. But if you want to go to other place like to kabupaten.
Oh yeah, to like out of town. Go out of town.
Baru ada.
Oh oke Kak. Tapi kalau yang untuk di daerah situnya nggak ada ya?
Nggak ada.
I see.
So that's
kalau kayak KRL gitu-gitu juga belum ada ya?
In Kalimantan, train belum ada.
Train belum ada juga. Oke. Ya, samalah mirip-mirip ya.
Yep.
Oke. Thank you so
Okay,
much, Bro
yeah, thank you.
William. Oke, so kita sudah selesai untuk yang ini. Sekarang kita masuk ke practice part 2. Di practice part 2 ini kan masih ada waktu banyak. Jadi ingat teman-teman akan melakukan seperti kemarin ya. Ya, jadi persis seperti kemarin, you are going to talk within 2 minutes. Tapi nanti ya. Jadi teman-teman kerjain dulu aja, jawab dulu semua pertanyaan ini. Jawab semua pertanyaannya, and then you send your answer. Ya, and then you send your answer on the chat box. Nah, kemudian nanti setelah jawabannya sudah dikirim di chat box, nanti aku akan panggil beberapa orang perwakilan aja untuk menjawab soal ini. Gitu ya, 2, 3, atau 4 orang sesuai waktu kita ya. Oke. Prepare your answer. Tell to everybody with detail including the time, the price, the facility. Oke, jadi transportasi yang ada di kota teman-teman berdasarkan waktu-waktunya, misalnya adanya jam berapa aja sih biasanya kalau ini, terus harganya berapa sih, fasilitasnya apa, gitu ya. Nah, satu orang ngomong 1 menit, oke, 1 minute for each person. Gak usah ditulis deh guys, gak usah ditulis di chat box karena ini lumayan agak panjang, kasihan kalian ngetik-ngetik, jadi gak usah ditulis. Kalian prepare aja sendiri, di-prepare dulu karena ini ada waktu untuk preparation sekitar 3 menit ya. So 3 minutes for your preparation time, and then after 3 minutes, I will call you one by one to answer this question, and each of you have to talk within 1 minute minimum, ya, and 3 minutes in maximum. Oke, jadi tidak lebih dari 3 menit ya. Oke, so please find the answer. Bikin dulu scriptnya untuk lebih memudahkan nanti ketika berbicara. So the time will be 3 minutes for you to prepare. Sudah nyala, sudah aku set alarmnya. So I'm going to have my toilet break, and then I will come back after 3 minutes, and then after I come back, it means that your time is up, and then we are going to do the practice. Okay, so take your time and happy practice, happy preparation. Okay. Halo. Sudah siap, guys?
Oke.
Udah ya.
Yes.
Bro Rehan tadi udah belum sih, Bro Rehan?
Udah, tapi kalau lagi nggak apa-apa.
Oh, udah lagi apa? Oke, kita yang lain dulu ya. Oke, kita ke, aduh ini sister kali, Sister Kurin. Semoga aku tidak salah ya.
Oke,
Halo.
Miss. Ya.
Wow, benar. Oke. Untuk Sister Kurin, tell us about your public transportation in your city. Boleh diceritakan 1 menit waktunya?
Okay, sis. In my city, we have a new public transportation. This is called Bus Trans Jatim.
Okay.
Bus Trans Jatim, there are so many route from Mojokerto to Surabaya, Mojokerto to Gresik, and will coming soon Mojokerto to Malang. And I usually go to work using this transportation. This transportation is really affordable and comfortable. This is like Transjakarta in Jakarta, ya.
Oh, it's like Transjakarta, I see.
Yeah, but this is more smaller bus.
Smaller than Transjakarta, ya?
Yes.
I
In
see.
Surabaya city, we also have Trans Surabaya. This is bigger than Trans Jatim. So I'm really happy that we are now having this Trans Jatim bus. They also provide the application for this transportation. It's called it Jatim Ajaib. The application base. We can find the schedule of departure and arrival of this bus, and we also know the position of the bus, and we also
wow, keren banget ya bisa tahu.
Yeah, there are any available seat or not. So this is really cool, I think.
Okay, very cool. How about the price? Is it expensive?
Oh yeah, no, it's very cheap. The price from Mojokerto to Surabaya is only 5,000.
5,000?
Mojokerto, yes, 5,000 rupiah per trip.
Per trip,
And
yes.
if you want to continue the transportation within in Surabaya city in 2 hours, the ticket is also can be used for the other transportation.
Oh, adult.
I don't know, bener nggak ya ngomongnya kayak gitu?
Bener.
Yeah. Also in other city also the price only 5,000. I mean from Mojokerto to Gresik only 5,000 rupiah. In Malang will be coming soon from Mojokerto to Batu Malang, which is around 2 hours. For the distance is only we pay only to 20,000 rupiah. It's
20,000.
yeah, it's really
Only 20,000.
affordable
Oh
and
yeah, very affordable.
Yes. So that's the story of the transportation in my city. Thank you.
Wow, very clear, very easy to understand and concise ya. Terus juga tadi complete jelasin semua ya tentang transportasi apa aja. Oke, thank you untuk Sister Kurin.
Ya, thank you sis.
Oke, kita ke Sister Rosita sekarang. Halo Sister Rosita.
Hi, Sis Tasya.
Okay, now it's your time. You have 1 minute in maximum and 3 minutes, and 1 minute in minimum and 3 minutes in maximum.
Okay. I'm live in Surabaya. So like Miss Kurin in Surabaya also have public transportation. We call Surabaya bus.
Okay.
And for using this transportation, we must pay without cash. So
Oh,
we can
without
pay
cash. Oh, cashless ya.
cashless with Kris or tap flash card.
Yes, flash
Yeah,
card.
or e-money. And after we transaction, we can get the ticket, and also we can continue to other transportation. Call name is Warawiri.
Warawiri.
Yes, Warawiri is like a minibus or apa like minibus with route to small street.
Small street.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's only for commuting to small street aja ya. Nggak bisa kalau any other region atau outside town.
Yeah. I mean in protocol street we can using the Surabaya bus and we need to continue to home apa yes kalau masuk yang maksudnya rute yang jalan yang lebih kecil ya
I
we
see.
can call small street ya.
Small small street bisa juga. Terus
also we can continue to Warawiri. In Surabaya also using application Surabaya bus, we can
Surabaya
check
bus.
the position the transportation and we can prepare to arrange the time if you need to going to others to continue the route. I mean in Surabaya have some destination with maksudnya beberapa rute bis gitu loh maksudnya.
Iya beberapa route. There Surabaya has several routes.
Oh yeah.
Bus route.
And we just one pay.
Oh, so yeah, okay. So only you just have to pay once, but you can actually explore.
Yes, we can use one ticket in 2 hours with the continue public transportation.
Yeah, okay. I think that's it. Yeah, Sister Rosita.
Yes,
Thank you so much for your explanation. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oke, sekarang kita ke Sister Pauzia.
Okay.
How about your city?
Okay, well, I'm living in Timor, Nipakanja. In our district, public transportation is used by people is ojek, using motorcycle. Yeah, ojek, yeah. Okay, our area didn't have bus, go-kart, or another transportation as live in the city. Some people usually using their motorcycle if they went to work or school. But for some people who didn't have motorcycle, they using ojek, Gojek, by price 5 until 10,000 per person.
Per way.
And there are some car. It's the public transportation too. If people want to go to Jambi City, by price 100,000 per person.
Okay, 100,000 per person itu kalau mau ke another city.
Yeah.
I see. Okay, that's all, Sister Pauzia?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
Sister Minarsi.
Hai.
Okay, hi. Are you ready?
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Yes, insya Allah. I try.
Okay, you can start now.
Insya Allah. Yes, I know public transportation in my city is school bus.
Mm-hmm.
The schedule is school bus around 6 o'clock, but I don't know schedule for afternoon and or evening. I don't know the schedule for afternoon or evening.
Okay.
School bus is free transportation, sis.
Oh, I see.
Yes,
Free?
for
Enak banget ya?
I live in Kediri. I live in
Okay.
Kediri, sis. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It's only for student. Free. It's free.
Oh, only for
Only for
student
student.
ya?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Only for student. But I don't know apa schedule setelah saya kurang tahu.
So you don't know like the complete schedule that they have.
I don't know complete schedule in every day, but I know in the morning at
Mhm.
6 o'clock. I know the student apa itu negatif apa itu?
Apa?
Aduh, ada apa itu? Berdiri di pinggir jalan untuk naik itu gitu apa ya?
Okay, so waiting.
Yeah, waiting for
Waiting for
school
the
bus.
bus
School bus.
come.
Shelter mungkin.
Yes.
Shelter ya itu ya
Yeah.
namanya, shelter. Okay.
Shelter, yeah.
Okay, very good.
Ini
Ada lagi?
apa di kota Kediri, Kabupaten Neno. Only Kediri City. Only
in
for
Kediri City.
student. Yes.
For student in
But
Kediri
no,
City.
but in Kediri City. Yeah.
Okay, I
Yang
see.
kabupaten enggak gitu.
Oh, I see.
Only Kediri. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay,
It's
very good.
enough.
Aku pernah ke Kediri ya.
Yeah.
I learn English in Pare.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
For my house. Far from my house.
Why don't you just go to Pare and then you learn English there? They're actually a good place for learning English.
Yes. Saya kerja.
Oh iya bener ya. Oke. Oke sih Minarsi. I think that's all. Thank you so much.
Yes. You're welcome.
Kita sudahi untuk praktisnya. Waktu kita juga sudah mau habis. Tapi aku akan buka sisi tanya jawab dulu ya. Sampai mungkin 3-4 menit ke depan. So, if you guys have any question, please ask me now. Mungkin 3 menitan lah. Habis itu aku langsung ciao karena aku masih ada kelas lagi. Oke, ini udah dibuka kok, guys, mikrofonnya. Oh, belum ya? Kok aku merasa seperti sudah membukanya. Oke, ada yang mau ditanyain nggak, guys? Aduh, gelap banget ya. So sorry, aku pindah tempat soalnya. Oke, gimana? Do you guys have any question?
Different port and harbor. Gimana tuh? Kalau nggak salah kan ada yang kalau perbedaan port sama harbor ya, pelabuhan.
Setahu aku sih
Kalau
sama
nggak salah
aja
ada
ya. I think it's the different itu cuma kayaknya Amerika sama American English sama British English deh yang membedakan.
Oh, bukan misalkan kalau port itu untuk pelabuhan yang gede, kalau harbor itu pelabuhan yang kecil, bukan?
Wait ya, coba aku make sure dulu ya. Aku rada-rada lupa juga. Tapi I think itu yang membedakan hanya the style, the English style aja. Coba.
Oh.
Difference ya. Port is any sheltered body of water where boats or ships may moor or anchor. A port is an installation that has been built around a harbor with facilities. Ordinary a harbor, either natural or man-made, must exist before a port facility can be set. Oke, jadi gini, mereka tuh sebenarnya ada di apa ya? Mereka itu sebenarnya satu set gitu loh. Port sama harbor. Jadi harbor itu is like the shelter body-nya. Jadi shelter body of water-nya. Tapi si port itu is the installation that has been built around the harbor. Jadi kayak pelabuhan itu harbornya, port itu kayak tempatnya gitu loh. Dibangun tempatnya. Jadi port itu adalah bagian dari harbor.
Berarti satu kesatuan gitu, Mam.
Satu kesatuan, yes, very good. Satu kesatuan.
Pada sama pelabuhan.
Yes. Tapi sama-sama dibilang pelabuhan kan, maksudnya kan mereka satu tempat gitu ya. Cuma port is like the installation of that has been built. Jadi dia dibangun around the harbor area. Harbor is an area and port is like the installation of those ininya gitu. Ya, jadi seperti itu ya. Oke, ada lagi yang mau ditanyain? Oh my God, I only have 3 minutes, guys. Ada lagi nggak yang mau ditanyain?
Banyak, Mem.
Yang di obrolan itu kan ada beberapa pertanyaan, Miss. Mungkin bisa dijawab.
Oh, ada ya? Sebentar,
Ada.
sebentar. Oh ya, aku tuh nggak pernah lihat box. Ditulis.
Ferry sama ferry. Itu perbedaan ship and ship. Mungkin
ship is domba.
Pronunciation-nya. Iya.
Oh, very sama very. Oh, it's a pronunciation ya. Kalau yang SHIP itu kan ship. Kalau yang ini juga sama ship. Jadi mereka berdua sama pronunciation-nya. Kalau yang very sama very pasti beda. Kalau very yang artinya sangat itu very, it's agak bergetar. Kalau yang kapal ferry itu ferry pakai F, ferry. Jadi beda ya. So ship sama very sama ferry beda.
Oh, gitu.
It's about the pronunciation.
Oke. Jadi kalau kita berbicara ya bingung juga antara
ship. Kan itu kan konteksnya, tahu konteksnya yang dibicarakan.
Lihat konteks gitu ya.
Tergantung konteks. Pasti kita bisa membedakan kok kapan kita lagi ngomongin ship yang kapal, kapan kita lagi ngomongin ship yang hewan.
Kalau koki,
pronunciation.
Kalau apa?
Koki.
What?
Cook.
Yes.
Apa sih?
Aduh, nggak denger guys. Kenapa ya? Nggak denger. Oh my God, nggak denger. I'm so sorry. Kalian denger nggak?
Ditulis saja.
Aku kurang jelas ya.
Dengar cook aja. Mungkin ditulis saja di obrolan mungkin.
Cook, guys. On the taxi and in the taxi. Nanti ada pelajaran tentang itu, sis. Untuk pertanyaan, mending tanyain aja ke chat aku ya, guys. Karena aku udah nggak punya waktu lagi. I have 1 minute only for preparing my next class. Jadi teman-teman kalau ada pertanyaan kayak yang tadi yang mau ditanyain yang tentang apa tuh on the taxi,
sama
in the taxi itu nanti ada pelajarannya guys. Kita akan membahas tentang in, on, at nanti ya. Preposition. Oke, itu nanti udah ada bagian-bagiannya. You're going to learn about that. But if you really want to know, you can text me, ya. Oke? So I think that's it for today. Thank you so much. Kita harus berpisah karena aku harus join to another class. Thank you guys and see you again tomorrow. Bye bye.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, sis.